Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to buy Islamic Coin token ISLM on KuCoin crypto exchange. Let's go! Process is pretty straightforward. Step 1. Go to website cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin. Okay, step 2. Click on Sign Up button and you will be redirected to registration page. Create account with a valid email ID or phone number and a password, for example. Okay, create account, click button and enter this captcha. Fine. Write one-time passport that will be sent your email. Fine. Click verify now. Verify your account with KYC. Keep in mind, however, that this is completely optional. The next step is to replenish your account. You can do this with crypto or deposit fiat. After that, once you have funds in your account, find the ISLM ticket, go trade, spot trading, write ISLM. Yeah, this. Click. In order to trade, you need to come up with a trading password. Follow the instruction from exchange. You have a wealth of information to explore. You can check out the volume on trades and price action from different time frames. Select the type of trade, limit or market, and trade. For example, I want limit order. Enter the amount of ISLM. Enter the price. And you wish to exchange by ISLM. Your order goes on live. You can check if ISLM has been credited in your account by clicking Assets and Trading Account. Congratulations! Now you have Islamic Coin token. Next you have transfer your token from trading account to funding account. Max, confirm. Okay, let's go funding. You can move your ISLM to your HAQQ wallet anytime by integration a withdraw on KuCoin. That's all. I will put the link to instruction below video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.